there are some theories, and mostly are conspiracy theories, about chipping, about change of DNA, about many other issues, and they are confusing people in society. So we have to understand that all these confusions, all these rumors, and all these non-scientific claims by unauthorized people or groups, we are not only listening, we are not only confusing ourselves, but at the same time spreading the same rumors in society. And this is very unfortunate. In Surah Hujurat, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu ijtanibu kathiran min az-zann. The message to the mu'mineen by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, a very clear message, ijtanibu kathiran min az-zann. In Surah Hujurat, verse number 12. Protect yourself and avoid all these suspicions, baseless suspicions, without any evidence, without any proof, listening something and not only confusing yourself, but polluting the mind of others. And spreading this news in the society. One hadith I always quote, very famous hadith of the Prophet ﷺ, mentioned in Imam Bukhari, Imam Muslim, and many other muhaddithin. So in Sahihain, كَفَى بِالْمَرْءِ كَذِبًا أَن يُحَدِّثَ بِكُلِّ مَا سَمِعَ. It is enough for a person to be declared liar with this one habit and attitude, to spread whatever he hears without verifying, without verification. We got something and just spread it in the society. So just spreading in the society, confusing ourselves and confusing and polluting the mind of others, it is not required in Islam, and it is sin in Islam. As I mentioned, one hadith of the Prophet and one ayah of the Quran. Sowing the seed of doubts in the mind of innocent people, it is forbidden